Hi, happy Thursday. This video is for September 24th, and we will get started with our calendar to see what we have going on for today. So the first activity is Yay. Sorry that it's blurry. So sorry. Yay Shen. We're going to reread the first 2 pages of the story and then figure out what are the challenges that Yay Shen faced. So here we go. Yay Shen. We're on page 10 and 11. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Yay Shen. She lived with her mean stepmother and stepsister. The 2 women mistreated Yay Shen because they were jealous of her beauty. Yay Shen's only friend was a goldfish. However, one day, her stepmother did the unkindest thing of all. She killed the fish and served him for supper. Oh my goodness, that is so mean. So there's her little fish. As Yay Shen mourned for her friend, which means she's just so sad, crying, an old man, see him here, suddenly appeared. Gather the fish's bones, he said. They have great power and can grant your wishes. Soon, it was time for the spring festival, where young people went to find husbands and wives. Yay Shen wanted to attend. Alas, she had nothing but her plain, drab dress to wear. So here on the side, I just wrote the word challenges because our activity for today was describe what the challenges are that she has. So I'm going to say she lives with mean people. So she lives with mean stepmom, stepmom and stepsister. That's a challenge. She lives with her mean stepmom and sister. Her fish was killed. It didn't just die. It was killed, and they had him for supper. And then right now, her last challenge is that she has nothing to wear to this special festival where she wants to find love and find, it's a festival for young people to find husbands and wives. Nothing to wear. So those are 3 challenges she has faced so far. Okay, so we're going to stop there. We'll continue the rest of that story tomorrow and see how it turns out. So we can check off our activity for Thursday. Hopefully you have your daily packet. Please complete day 4. Leveled reader. So today we read the little book, John Henry. John Henry. This little book is assigned in Clever benchmark assignments. So the same place that you take your benchmark test, it's in that same place. You can have this book read to you if you push play at the top. And once you reread this story of John Henry, you are to answer 2 questions in Seesaw activity. So I want to share with you the 2 questions because there are a few things I wanted to mention that I noticed was happening during Unit 1. So I just finished creating it here. I haven't saved it yet, but it'll be available for you this day. So it says select the T here to type your answer or select the camera to take a picture of your written responses. So the leveled reader again is John Henry. You have 2 questions. How strong is John Henry as a baby? So when you type your answer or you're writing it, either way, I want you to start with he is stronger than, because that's your sentence starter. Some of you are just kind of, assuming that one's already written for you, which it is, but I want you to retype it to get in the practice of using that starter. He is stronger than, I'm just going to write A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So you can come up with your answer. And then you need to write down your page number of text evidence. So if I found this on page 4, I'm going to add a 4 to my answer. So that's it. I just need to answer my question and add my page number of where I found it. So that's why I added this star here. It says don't forget to add the page number of where you found your answer to both responses. So same thing here for number 2. What happens to John Henry at the end of the story? You're going to say at the end of the story, comma, John, H-I-J-K-L. Okay, didn't happen, and maybe it happened on page 5. So I'll write page 5. So we're, and again, not true, but I just giving an example so you know what it looks like. So here, I'm gonna put it next to my question 2. So you need to have your answer, including that sentence starter that I have for you on both questions, and the page number that you found your answer on. So those 2 things are very important, please, so that it's a completed assignment. If you forget to submit it with the page number, or you're not writing the sentence starter with your answer, I'm sending it back to you. So there's this button I push, it says resend. And then I put in the comments like, oh, you forgot to write the sentence starter, or oh, you forgot the page number. And you can resubmit it to me, which is what was happening last time. You were resubmitting to me, but you weren't making any changes. So you need to edit your work and fix what we need to fix there, please. So let's go back to our ladybug. So that is our next activity. So again, completing, sorry, it's a little dark here. Let me open my slide. Get some better lighting so we can focus better. So day 4 of your daily packet, leveled reader, reread it either in the small actual little book, or you can go into benchmark assignments to have it read to you and answer those questions, including page number of where you found your answer and your sentence starter. Here, don't forget to practice your Español. I ready 45 minutes a week for reading and math. Complete a level of Lexia per week. And we're gonna end here with our math lesson. So we're on topic 3. So we just started today, subtraction strategy. So we're gonna learn here different ways to subtract from numbers up to 18. So up to 18. So we will go into today's math lesson, and then you'll want to complete that quick check online for lesson 1, topic 3. Right, so let me zoom out here so we can get to our independent practice. So this one, the lesson again was subtracting 0, 1, or 2. So 4, take away 2, and you can use your cubes in your blue folder, manipulatives, if you'd like. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3 minus 0 stays the same, is still 3. 10 take away 1, 9. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 take away 1, 7. 9 take away nothing, 9. And now they're going to go up and down instead of side to side. That same idea. 3 take away 2, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 1, 6. 11 take away 2, 9. And here we're going to do some algebra, find out what the missing number is. 8 take away what would give us the answer of 8? We need a 0 here. We take 0 away, it'll give us the same number. 5 minus something gives us 4. We want 1 less, so minus 1. And the back side here, problem solving. Jim and Sue play a game. Jim spins a 9. Sue spins a number that is 2 less than 9. 9 minus 2. What number does Sue spin? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to take 2 of those away. That gives us 7. Sue spins a 7. Betty thinks of the number 6. Jim thinks of that number. Jim thinks of the number that is 1 less than 6. What number does Jeff think of? 6 take away 1 is 5. Letter C. Write a subtraction story for 1 less than another number. I'll use my there are 6 bees. Let's see. The wind blows, really strong wind, blows some of them away. Poor bees. There are 2 less. How many are there now? Question mark. So I'm going to go then. There were 6 bees. The wind blows some of them away. Now there's 2 left. How many are there now? There are 4 now. Okay. Sorry, let me unshare my screen. Okay, well, happy Thursday, and I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.